going to show you how to make ruby chocolate cornflake cakes. Ruby chocolate is made from a rare pink cocoa bean, which tastes a bit like berries. There's no added colourings or flavourings to make it pink. You'll need cornflakes, mini eggs, ruby chocolate, unsalted butter, and pink cupcake cases. I've got 200 grams of the ruby chocolate, which I'm going to melt in the microwave. Start with 30 seconds and then stir it, and then 10 or 15 seconds ago until it's fully melted. And then I'll add the room temperature unsalted butter, just stir that in until that's all fully melted and incorporated. My chocolate is melted now, so I'm going to add the butter. And just stir that until the butter's melted. Right, now that's all melted, I'm going to add that to 100 grams of cornflakes. And when that's mixed in, you'll need to add it to your cake cases. And then if you're using mini eggs, add those to the middle. Just push them in gently. Once you finish putting all the eggs in the nest, just put them in the fridge to set for about an hour.